wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to pay property tax in Chandigarh.
If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to us, which would help us create more videos.
Use the link provided below here to reach our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Chandigarh how to pay property tax. Here in this page we have given detailed the procedure along with information and instruction for a user to complete this procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation, as these links will lead you to different pages and different websites for completing this procedure. Also, you can use the select language tab which is provided on the top right corner of our page with many languages to select from the drop down menu. Select the language of your choice to understand this procedure easily. Let us see the list of documents covered in this session today. Need to pay property tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to pay property tax. Property tax or house tax is a local tax imposed on owners or an apartment or the land or the building by the local governing authorities from the municipal or ward office based on the basic amendments which are set aside. Vacant land is generally exempt from these property tax, and central government properties are exempt. Instead, there will be a service charge which is collected. Properties of foreign missions also exempt from the property tax. Tax exemption is applicable for selected citizens and organizations including educational institutions, charitable institutions, ex-servicemen, in-servicemen, retired pensioners association, NGO homes, teachers association building, or a few of them exempted as applicable. Property tax clearance is required for most of the other services like water, sanitary, electricity connections from the government. Documents required. You will require the following details: property ID, which is unique for each house or property. They are also called as house ID. Old property ID, which you can obtain from the old property tax receipt or house ID. Owner's name, address of the property, Aadhaar card are the documents required for this process. Let us see how to pay. Before that, properties in Chandigarh are liable to pay property tax to the municipal corporation. Both residential, commercial, industrial, institutional, government properties and vacant land situated within the limits of MC are assessed for tax, and all those assessed are expected to pay the property tax as per the norms which is fixed. The tax for the assessment year shall be paid by the 1st April to 31st of May of that particular year. Anyone undervaluing the property would be penalized. In case of late payment done by the taxpayer, the interest at the rate of 12% will be charged. No tax shall be leviable on residential lands and building up to 300 square yards owned and self-occupied. Let us see. Please use the following link here to view the rates and fees and other charges relevant for the property tax from the government corporation. So this link is also provided in our page. I will show that. So this is here. Once you click on this, you will be taken to the page where you will get the guidelines for the calculation of property tax. So use this and understand the details before ascertaining the value for your property. Let us see how to pay in person. User will get a tax demand bill from the municipal office through the executive, along with the printed bank pay-in slip, which is the challan for making payment with bank. If the tax demand bill is not delivered, then you can go and approach the office with the old bill or the receipt you have to find the tax assessment. Use the self-assessment form and apply with the property ID to get the tax assessed at the e-Sampark centers which are in Chandigarh for helping the citizens. Once you have all the documents and details in hand, make the payment. The link for e-Sampark is given in our portal. So go to the respective place. You have the e-Sampark center contact. Once you reach here, you can contact the respective phone number, and you can select the respective centers by further browsing inside this window. Authorities at the counter, after accepting the payment, will issue a receipt for the tax paid for future reference. Meaning, once they accept your payment, a receipt will be issued for the payment received. So keep it safe for future reference. Payment can be accepted in cash, DD or check. Property or house tax shall be deposited at all the branches of Oriental Bank of Commerce located in Chandigarh. Let us see how to pay online. Please make sure you have the property ID and to pay the property tax with you. As I said, you have to have all the documents scanned for applying. Online portal link which is provided here will help you in reaching the online portal. This is the same link is provided in our page 2 under online session. Use this link so that you will go to this page. So property tax payment page. Here you have the option like property ID or house number. Use the respective options like enter your property ID and the mobile number, and enter send OTP to receive the OTP in your mobile number. Then you will have to enter the OTP in the provided box to reach the next page. The next page displays the property information and also the details of the tax applicable for you, so that you can know the figure to pay the amount. Please follow the screen prompt and fill in required details to make the proceed to the payment page, that is payment gateway page. Once you reach the payment gateway page, please select credit, debit or net banking option to make the payment. Once you select the appropriate payment gateway option, you will be directed to select and enter the details which are required for completing the online payment. So use the respective options and pay the online payment. Once you completed the payment, you will get an acknowledgement or a transaction slip. Keep it safe for future reference that you have paid the property tax through online. User can use house ID if house ID is provided, and follow the screen prompts to complete the payment. In case your registered mobile number is not added in your property details, please visit Municipal Corporation Chandigarh Sector 7 office to add your registered mobile number. For any assistance, visit Tax Branch, room number 25, ground floor, Sector 17E, Chandigarh, and Assistant Collector 0172. That is the code, phone code, STD code 5021618. Chief Accountant Officer, another mobile phone number is provided, which are all useful to clarify any of your requirements as mentioned above. Eligibility: you should be an Indian citizen at the age of 18 years, should own land or property in your name. Validity: the property tax paid is valid for 1 year. Every year you should renew it. In certain parts of India, the property tax is collected 6 months too. Fees: the property tax amount is calculated based on the residential area, so it varies from one property type to another property type based on the place it is assessed. Property tax for building is calculated based on basement area, the rate prevalent in the street where the property is located, that is benchmarked amount. Usage of the building, whether it is residential or commercial, type of occupancy, owner or tenant, the total span of the building existence, are all the factors which are considered for evaluating the property tax amount. Processing time: payment of tax will be completed as and when it is paid to the respective department. Offices and contacts: Municipal Corporation Chandigarh, New Janmarg, Sector 17, Chandigarh 17. Phone number are provided here for your personal interaction with the department. The email sampark and helpline is also provided. The contact link provided here, 2 contact links are again provided in our page under the offices and contacts session. Use these links to reach the respective contact pages as per the link, so that you will get the information pertaining to the respective zone or the office to contact them for any of your grievances. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct access to these websites which we used so far to complete this procedure. We understood the importance of these websites and provided them as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information, all residential and commercial properties are assessed for tax. Information about the new construction, meaning if you have a 1000 square feet building constructed in your place and you are extending another 200 square feet to the building, then that 200 square feet of additional building to be informed to the assessment department to be included in the next assessment, because there will be a strict action against the defaulters. It is advisable to pay the tax on time to avoid such situations. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to pay property tax in Chandigarh.